All right, here we go. So we are now going to start our awards assembly. Welcome to our honor roll awards assembly. Um, it is a wonderful day to celebrate the last day of our award recipients for semester one. All right, here we go. All right, so once again, welcome to our Honor Roll Awards Assembly. It is semester one Honor Roll Awards, and it is January 2021. So our opening message, the purpose of our semester one Honor Roll Awards Assembly is to shine light on the accomplishments of our scholars. It is important to celebrate and reward positive scholarly habits with our student and parent community. We will highlight all of the recognition they will receive and in the future months to come. All right, so here's our agenda for today. Number one, we're gonna have our welcoming message that I just read. Number two, we're gonna have our presentation. So a little bit of background about honor roll. And then we're gonna do number three, which is the awards. And then four, our closing. That is our agenda for today's honor roll assembly. All right, so honor roll. PUC CALS Charter Middle School recognizes scholars who put in a lot of hard work in their academic and habits of a scholar. They have shown perseverance by asking questions, turning on Zoom cameras, investing the time in class to accomplish assignments. All of these are attributes and attitudes of a scholar. All right, so let's clarify what it means to be on honor roll. And if you're curious about how to get on this list, here's some information about it. So second honors is students who have GPAs of 3.0 through 3.49. They also do not have any F's or C's in their classes. They also hold satisfactory effort, participation, and habits of a scholar. First honors is for students who have GPAs of 3.5 to 4.0. That means no D's, no F's, and no C's. They also have excellent effort, participation, and habits of a scholar. All right, so and now our honor roll of awards for semester one. It is January 2021. We're gonna send off Mr. Sanchez to read off sixth, and then we'll go to seventh, then eighth, and then finally we'll get to our announcements and close. All right, here we go. So sixth grade.
All right. Good morning, everyone. Very excited to be here to recognize our scholars. And the first one today for sixth grade is Jimena Gaciola. Congratulations. Ariana Barbosa. Congratulations. Great work. Daniel Chaires. Also, congratulations for all your hard work and effort. Jose Antonio Gonzalez. Congratulations. Oh, can we go back one? Thank you. Oh, we don't want to forget anyone. Herber Lopez, congratulations on honor roll for semester. Isabella Lopez, congratulations. Sixth grade did an amazing job. Milton Osorio. Vanessa Pham. Ian Rodriguez. Sofia Ruiz. Nicholas Fopanta, I'm sorry. Adrian Villegas, congratulations. Sixth grade, you're doing amazing. And once again, here are all the names. Also want to take the time to recognize the parents in support of the students. We all know that as students, we can't do it without our parents. And also knowing that this is the first ever honor roll for a virtual semester, so it was even harder. So we're looking forward to having more names the second semester for sixth grade. Keep up the good work.
All right, so congratulations again to the sixth grade. They all belong to Cal State Long Beach, so welcome to your awards. Let's keep going to our next grade level, which is seventh grade awards. They are the class of 2022. So let's see what 2022 is going to bring. All right, so our honor roll is for Anthony Rodriguez. Congratulations, Anthony. Joseph Espinosa, congratulations. Anthony Marquez, congratulations. All right, Aiden Prado, congratulations. Libni Victoria, congratulations. April Nueva, congratulations. All right, so our seventh grade UCLA awards are up on the screen. Once again, they represent our 2022 class. Thank you once again for your perseverance and your dedication to your middle school years. All right, here we go. So now it is high honor roll for seventh grade. High honor roll for seventh grade. Janelle Avila, congratulations. George Dorantes, congratulations. Sarame Dupalan, apologies for the last name, congratulations. Grace Estrada, congratulations. Brandon Gonzalez, congratulations. Adams Lee, congratulations. Brianna Leal, congratulations. Aiden Maldonado, congratulations. Aisha Mora, congratulations. Leila Pablo, congratulations. Cassandra Pasillas, congratulations. Isabela Rivas Herrera, congratulations. Jordi Sanchez, congratulations. Elena Thompson, congratulations. And once again, these are our high honor students, 3.5 to 4.0, seventh grade. Congratulations to all the cohorts. All right, and now moving on to the seniors in our campus, AKA the eighth graders. So the class of 2021 is up next. Once again, we're gonna start with honors, 3.0 through 3.49, and then high honors.
All right, for honor roll, Leanne Aguilar, congratulations. Our next recipient is Juan Antonio Chavez. Congratulations. Congratulations, Brooke Cheatham. Miss Sofia Gonzalez, congratulations on honor roll. Daniela Guardado, congratulations. Brandon Hernandez, congratulations. Samantha Soto, congratulations. Anaí Terrones, congratulations. Alexander Zacarias, congratulations. And that was honor roll for USC, eighth grade. Great job. That's more than USC. That's all our eighth graders, actually. Sorry about that typo there. But great work. Keep it up. We definitely would love to give 170 of these out next semester. But eighth grade, you're doing great. So now for high honor roll 3.5 to 4.0. So on high honor roll, first recipient is Vanity Alejandres Gomez. Congratulations. Rosa Artola Lopez. Congratulations. Angel Avila. Congratulations. Nicole Asum or Exume. Forgive me, Nicole. I'll get that right. Congratulations. Haley Barron. Congratulations. Gonzalo Chaires. Congratulations. Mr. Kobe Cooper. Congratulations. Iliana Cruz Parra. Congratulations. Daniela Gonzalez Parra. Congratulations. Mr. Joseph Gonzalez Soto. Congratulations. Quentin Henton. Congratulations. This is a great list so far. Xiomara Juarez, congratulations. Ashley Lopez, congratulations. Ingrid Ramirez, congratulations. Josefa Ramirez, congratulations. Maya Lorena Schroeder, congratulations. Delilah Torres, congratulations. Those are our eighth grade high honors awards. Amazing job. I know that I can speak for our teachers and Miss Putin and let you know that we're all proud of you and appreciate the hard work and definitely look forward to seeing a lot more names on there next semester now that we're used to this virtual learning. So keep up the hard work and thank you for everything you all do every day.
To worry, eighth graders, we still have a slide. We couldn't fit all of the names on here. So here's the next slide. All right. So if you want to get a chance to take a picture, you by all means can do so. Here's the name of all of the rest of our eighth graders who also received awards. All right, so we cannot forget teachers and staff awards. So high recognition for academic and school excellence are for the following. So let's take a look, let's see, let's ponder. Who can it be? Who can it be? We have 3 awards. Here it goes. All right, so for teacher recognition is presented to Mr. Garza for the first semester, showing perseverance just like students with all things technology. Mr. Garza, this award goes out to you. Our next award is for Ms. Reese for spending that quality time with our scholars and making and ensuring that they are also showing perseverance in their classes. Thank you for always being helpful to our scholars, Ms. Reese. All right, last but not least, who could it be? Who could it be? For Ms. Torres, who is in the office, always making sure that our parents' phone calls get answered and that the messages go out to teachers as well when we need some assistance. So thank you, Ms. Torres, for also showing respect for our community. So those are our 3 staff recognition awards. So congratulations to all of the honors and high honors students today. Like Mr. Sanchez said, we appreciate all of your dedication and hard work. It is not easy in this virtual world, but the fact that you are taking steps and actionable steps forward shows us your resiliency and definitely what we call perseverance. So thank you to everyone. We're going to continue on.